Afghan English Academy.
Help me God. That killer is coming here.
Help me God کومک وکړه زما خدایا. That killer is coming here. هغه وژونکی دلته راځي. کیلر ویل کیږي قاتل ته وژونکي ته.
This is not my mobile phone.
This is not my mobile phone. دا زما موبایل نه دی.
What are you saying? Whose is this?
What are you saying? دا ته څه وایې؟ Whose is this? دا د چا دی؟
This is Cora's mobile phone. I think we switched our phones.
This is Cora's mobile phones. دا د کورا موبایل دی. I think زما په فکر we switched our phone. موږ خپل موبایل نه بند کړی وو.
Tony, can we go back?
Tony, can we go back? آیا موږ کولی شو چې بیرته لاړ شو؟
Yeah, sure. We are not very far from Cora's home.
Yeah, sure. هو یقینا. We are not very far. موږ دومره لرې نه یو from Cora's home. د کورا له کور څخه. far ویل کېږي لرې ته.
Thanks, Tony. You are the best.
Thanks, Tony. مننه Tony. You are the best. ته ډېر ښه یې.
I hope he did not see me.
I hope he did not see me. زه امید لرم چې زه به هغه نه وم لیدلی.
Oh God, save me. How can I save my life?
Oh God, save me. یا الله زما کومک وکړې. How can I save my life? څنګه زه کولی شم چې خپل ژوند بچ کړمه. Life ویل کېږي ژوند ته.
No. Please don't kill me. Help me.
No. Please don't kill me. مهرباني وکړه ما مه وژنه. kill ویل کېږي وژلو ته. Help me زما کومک وکړه.
Cora, it's me, Tony. Open the door.
Cora, it's me, Tony. Cora دا زه ټوني یم. Open the door. دروازه خلاصه کړه.
Tony, help me. Save my life.
Tony, help me. Tony زما کومک وکړه. Save my life. زما ژوند بچ کړه.
Guys, the door is open. Let's go inside.
Guys, the door is open. دروازه خلاصه ده. Let's go inside. راځئ چې دننه لاړ شو. Inside ویل کېږي دننه.
Cora.
She was screaming. What happened here?
She was screaming. هغې چیغې وهلې. Screaming ویل کېږي په زوره چیغې وهل. What happened here? دلته څه واقع شوله؟
Cora, open your eyes. Cora, can you hear me?
Cora, open your eyes. سترګې دې خلاصې کړه Cora. Can you hear me? آیا ته کولی شې چې ما واورې؟
Tony, thank God you came here.
Tony, thank God you came here. ډېره مننه چې ته دلته راغلې.
Cora, what happened to you? Are you okay?
Cora, what happened to you? په تا باندې څه واقع شول؟ Are you okay? آیا ته ټیک یې؟
He was here, guys. That killer came in my house.
He was here, guys. هغه دلته و ملګرو. That killer came in my house. هغه وژونکی دلته زما کور ته راغلی و.
He was about to kill me. I was so scared.
He was about to kill me. هغه زه وژلم. یعنی مطلب وژلی مې یې. I was so scared. زه ډېره ډاره شوی وم. Scare ویل کېږي ډارېدل.
He had sharp knives.
He had sharp knives. هغه تیره چاقوګان درلودله. Sharp ویل کېږي تیره ته او knives ویل کېږي چاقوګان.
Who was? Did you see his face?
Who was he? هغه څوک و? Did you see his face? آیا تا د هغه مخ ولیده؟
No. He was wearing a mask. I could not see his face.
No. He was wearing a mask. هغه یو ماسک اغوستی و. I could not see his face. ما ونش کولی چې د هغه مخ ووینم.
Guys, we have to be alert.
He can come again.
guys we have to be alert ملګرو موږ باید alert وشو یعنی خبردار وشو alert ویل کېږي خبرداري ته he can come again هغه کولی چې دوباره راشي
He is really dangerous. He will not give up.
he is really dangerous هغه ډیر خطرناک دی dangerous ویل کېږي خطرناک ده he will not give up هغه به خپل همت له لاسه نه ورکوي دی مطلب دی څه دی یعنی بیا به راځي
She is right, guys. He was about to kill her.
She is right guys ملګرو هغه بالکل صحیح ده He was about to kill her بس هغه وژلی نو
We are here with you. Don't panic.
We are here with you موږ دلته یو له تا سره Don't panic ډارېږه مه Panic ویل کېږي ډارېدل
Cora, you should go to the police station.
Cora you should go to the police station Cora ته باید پولیس سټیشن ته لاړه شي
You need police security. We have to be alert.
You need police security ته پولیس سکیورټي ته ضرورت لري We have to be alert موږ باید خبردار اوسو
She is right.
She is right هغه بالکل صحیح ده
I wish Arya were here.
I wish Arya were here زه کاشکې چې آریا دلته وای
Hey guys. What's up?
Hey guys hey ملګرو what's up څنګه یاست یعنی څه روان دي
Hi, Jacob. How are you?
Hi Jacob سلام Jacob how are you ته څنګه یې
I am good. What happened? Everyone is sad.
I am good زه ښه یم what happened څه واقع شول everyone is sad هر یو خفه دی
Jacob. Arya is no more.
Jacob Arya is no more Arya نور نشته یعنی مړه شوله دی مطلب دی څه دی
That killer killed Arya last night.
That killer killed Arya last night هغه وژونکی یعنی هغه قاتل آریا تېره شپه ووژله last night ویل کېږي تېرې شپې ته
What? This cannot be happening. Arya. Our Arya.
What? So this cannot be happening دا نشي واقع کېدلی Arya our Arya مطلب یعنی زمونږ آریا
This is the truth. We have lost our friend.
This is the truth دا رښتیا دی truth ویل کېږي رښتیا ته We have lost our friend موږ خپل ملګری له لاسه ورکړی دی
That killer also wanted to kill.
That killer also wanted to kill me هغه قاتل همدارنګه غوښتل چې ما هم وژني
me.
What? Did he try to kill?
What so did he try to kill you آیا هغه کوشش وکړ چې تا مړه کړي
you?
Yes. He tried to kill me. Luckily, my friends came back. He ran.
Yes he tried to kill me هغه کوشش وکړ چې ما ووژني luckily په خوشبختۍ سره luckily مطلب په خوشبختۍ سره my friends came back زما ملګري بیرته راغلل he ran away او هغه منډه کړه وتښتېده
away.
Thank God. You saved. He is really dangerous.
Thank God شکر الله you saved چې تاسو مطلب محفوظه یې He is really dangerous هغه ډېر خطرناک دی
Jacob. We are going to the police station. Will you come?
Jacob we are going to the police station موږ پولیس سټیشن ته ځو یعنی تاڼې ته ځو Will you come with us آیا ته به موږ سره راشې
With us?
No. I don't like police station. I am scared.
No I don't like police station ما ته تاڼه خوند نه راکوي police station I am scared now زه اوس ډار شوی یم
Scared now.
Be brave. We will
Be brave زړور اوسه brave ویل کېږي زړور ته We will come soon موږ بیرته زر راځو
come soon.
What? He tried to kill you.
What so he tried to kill you هغه کوشش وکړ چې تاسو ووژني
Yes. He was in front of me. You have to protect me.
Yes he was in front of me هغه زما مخې ته و You have to protect me تاسو باید ما وساتئ محفوظم که یا protect ویل کېږي ساتلو ته
Did you see his face?
Did you see his face? آیا تاسو د هغه مخ ولید؟
No. He was wearing a black mask. I could not see his face.
No, he was wearing a black mask. هغه تور ماسک اغوستی و. I could not see his face. ما ونش کولی چې د هغه مخ ووینم.
We all are in big trouble. We need private security.
We all are in big trouble. مونږ ټول په یو غټ مشکل کې یو. Big ویل کېږي غټ ته او trouble ویل کېږي مشکل ته. We need private security. مونږ private security ته ضرورت لرو.
He can kill us at any time.
He can kill us at any time. هغه کولی شي چې مونږ ووژني په هر وخت کې.
We will protect you. That's why we are here.
We will protect you. مونږ به تاسو ساتو محفظه کوم به. That's why we are here. نو ځکه مونږ دلته یو.
Our security guards will protect you. Nobody can enter in your house without investigation.
Our security guards will protect you. زمونږ security ساتونکي یعنی ګارډ چې دی هغه به تاسو ساتي. Nobody can enter in your house. هیڅوک هم نشي کولی چې ستاسو کور ته داخل شي without investigation بغیر د څارنې نه. Investigation ویل کېږي څارنه.
Thanks, officer. Please find that killer as soon as possible.
Thanks, officer. مننه officer. Please find that killer. مهرباني وکړه هغه وژونکی یعنی قاتل پیدا کړه. As soon as possible څومره چې ژر وي او امکان لري.
Don't sweat it. We will find him soon.
Don't sweat it. پریشانه کېږئ مه. We will find him soon. موږ به هغه ډېر ژر پیدا کړو.
What did the police say?
What did the police say? پولیس څه وویلې؟
Police provided us private security. All girls are safe in their houses.
Police provided us private security. پولیس موږ ته private security وړاندې کړه یعنې رای کړه. All girls are safe in their houses. ټول جنکیان چې دي هغه محفوظه دي په خپلو کورونو کې.
Yes. That killer cannot enter in our houses now.
Yes, ho, that killer cannot enter in our houses now. هغه وژونکی اوس نشي کولی چې زموږ کورونو ته داخل شي.
That's good. Guys, our college is organizing a masked party tonight.
That's good. دا خو ډېره ښه ده. Guys, ملګرو, our college is organizing زموږ لیسه چې ده هغه تنظیموي organize کوي a masked party tonight. یو د mask party نن شپې ته. Tonight ویل کېږي نن شپې ته.
Why is that?
Why is that? هغه ولې؟
This party is for you. You won the beauty competition.
This party is for you. دا پارټي ستاسو لپاره ده. You won the beauty competition. تاسو د ښایست مقابله ګټلې وه. Competition ویل کېږي مقابلې ته.
That's mean. We have to attend this party.
That's mean. دې مطلب نو دا دی. We have to attend this party. چې موږ باید دې پارټي ته راشو یعنی attend وکړو.
Everyone will wear a mask.
Everyone will wear a mask. هر یو به ماسک اغوندي.
In my opinion, we should attend this party. You girls need to cheer up.
In my opinion, زما په نظر باندې opinion ویل کېږي نظر ته. We should attend. موږ باید attend وکړو. This party دغه پارټي ته مطلب موږ باید لاړ شو. You girls need to cheer up. تاسو جنکیان باید خوشحاله شئ.
Tony is right. Forget about the killer. We have to live our life.
Tony is right. Tony بالکل صحیح دی. Forget about the killer. دغه قاتل باره کې نور هیر کیا. Forget ویل کېږي هیروله. We have to live our life. موږ باید خپل ژوند تیر کو.
You are right. Let's get ready for the mask party.
You are right. بالکل صحیح ہے. Let's get ready. راځئ چې تیار شو for the mask party. د mask party لپاره.
What a party! I love this mask theme.
What a party! Dance party day. I love this mask theme. دغه د mask موضوع چې د ما د ډېره خوند راکوي.
We also love it. You are looking handsome.
We also love it. موږ ته هم د دې ډېر خوند راکوي. You are looking handsome. ته ډېر ښایسته ښکارې. Handsome ویل کېږي ښایسته او دا استعمالیږي د نارینه‌و لپاره.
You are looking gorgeous as well. Everyone is looking phenomenal.
You are looking gorgeous as well. تاسو هم ډیر ښایسته ښکاري یا gorgeous ویل کیږي ډیر زیات ښایسته. Everyone is looking phenomenal. هر یو ډیر په زړه پورې ښکاري. Phenomenal ویل کیږي په زړه پورې اعلی.
Look at Jacob. He seems
Look at Jacob. Jacob ته وګورئ. He seems happy. هغه ډیر خوشاله ښکاري.
happy.
We should celebrate this night. Let's dance.
Guys, ملګرو, we should celebrate this night. موږ باید دغه شپه ولمانځو. Celebrate ویل کیږي لمانځلو ته. Let's dance. راځئ چې وګډېږو.
Yeah, sure.
Hello. Hello. Who is calling?
Hello, who is calling? څوک زنګ وهي?
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me? ته کولی شې چې ما واورې؟
Hello. Who are you? Why are not you saying something?
Hello, سلام. Who are you? څوک یې ته? Why are you not saying something? ته ولې هیڅ هم نه وایې؟
I am going to hang up. Who are you?
I am going to hang up. زه بندومه. Who are you? څوک یې ته؟
No, no. Who are you?
No, no, نه نه. Who are you? څوک یې ته؟
Please don't kill me. I am innocent.
Please don't kill me. مهرباني وکړه ما مه وژنه. I am innocent. زه بې ګناه یم. Innocent ویل کیږي معصوم ته بې ګناه ته.
Please let me go. Please don't kill me.
Please let me go. مهرباني وکړه ما پرېږده چې لاړه شمه. Please don't kill me. مهرباني وکړه ما مه وژنه.
Was that Cora's scream?
Was that Cora scream? آیا هغه د کورا چیغه وه؟
Cora, we are coming.
کورا we are coming. کورا موږ در روان یو.
No, no. Cora, you can't leave us.
No, no, نه نه. You can't leave us. ته نشې کولی چې موږ پرېږدې.
Cora, my bestie.
کورا my bestie. کورا زما ښې ملګرې. bestie ویل کېږي چې کله یوه جنکۍ د بلې جنکۍ ډېره زیاته او ښه ملګرې وي نو هغه لپاره موږ bestie استعمالو.
Guys, Cora is no more. She left us.
Guys, ملګرو, Cora is no more. کورا نوره نشته یعنې مړه شوله. She left us. هغې موږ پرېښودلو.
If you love this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and watch this next video. I know you are gonna love it.